Hey, Gershawn, where's the July supermoon?
Oh, the supermoon took the time off today.
See, when we took a picture of him, he left.
Yo, I think he's offended by pictures, right? If you guys do not know what we're talking about, we recently saw like some sort of unidentified flying object. And I think it might be a sign that it's, hurting our environment. I don't know. Maybe.
Alright, hi guys. Your name is Gershawn. Also, you are owned by Meadow. And today, we are going to see the fireworks.
I'm the Siren Prince.
Yep, you're the Siren Prince.
Jaron's like the Siren Prince.
Yep, I agree.
Should I zoom in on the fireworks?
For the intro.
Don't worry, guys. There will be an intro. I promise.
Moon! Where are you?
Wow.
Oh! Wow. Moon!
When is the big ones?
Holy thunder! The big
Jaron's covering them. I can't. Ah. Oh, they're starting now. What's the smell? It smells good. Firefly. Yeah, guys, there's plenty of fireflies here. But let me see if I can try to capture one on camera, which I can't. Yo, it's a firefly. No, I think he's offended by pictures. Never mind.
Oh, shoot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Aw. There's no noise. Yo. What? Yo, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Some of them are actually coming from there. Oh, I thought that was like, never mind. I could hear crickets.
United States, you're going crazy today.
I just got one thing to say. Happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July, July 4th. Whatever you call it, it is your day today, USA. Today is your day. I smell some cigarettes. Wait, no. That's not good.
That's cigarette. Is that cigarette?
I can smell cigarettes.
Oh my God!
No, it's just probably the smell of the
Fireworks? No way. Fireworks do not smell like that. They smell different.
United States is going crazy!
Yeah, I think. Oh, I see the fireworks in the. Do you guys see it? Yeah. They're right there.
Yeah!
They're mostly.
4th of July! Yeah!
What does he mean with the United States going crazy? Jaron's the one going crazy. Yo.
Hey, that's not yours. Get on.
Yeah!
Get on. Don't step on it. That's not yours.
United States is going crazy, guys! Woo!
We don't want to go like it. Look in the camera. Look at me. Look at me.
What's up?
Get on. Don't step on it, please.
Happy 4th of July. I'm doing this until my phone runs out of battery. Where's the... Oh. What? Why are they doing it right here? The main show is right here, man. What are they doing? It's not so...
5 more minutes.
Yeah, you're right. It is 9:04. Sorry guys, you saw the siren prince without his glasses. Sorry. Where's... Yo! That's crazy. Oh man, that's crazy. I think we may have found the right spot.
He's farting!
Farting fireworks, you mean?
We're back in the fort! United States is going crazy! Yeah! United States is
Oh!
crazy!
Oh, that's crazy.
United States will be advanced! Georgian, this Earth is now advancing!
Where? Oh! Oh! What are they doing right there? Where's the whistling that you hear? There's no whistling. I'm gonna take my crown off. Let me take the crown off. Much better.
Hey.
Sorry, Jazzy just wants some attention. Oh, are you okay?
United States is going crazy. Whoa!
Did you guys see that?
That was a big one.
I know.
Yeah.
He's on a hoverboard.
Hey, look at me. Hey. You got this. Mama, no. Just, Mama. No. Ma.
Yo, where's the actual fireworks?
Yeah.
Should I lie down?
No.
Bet. I'm gonna lie down now. Oh! That's just crazy. Keep in mind, this is my water.
United States, you're going crazy!
Did you guys see that? You guys saw that, right? Whoa!
What the
Whoa!
Yo, that's pretty cool. There was that whistling sound that you guys heard. That's amazing. I love the whistling sound of the fireworks. Those fireworks without the whistling sound, that's just crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Ask them if they're selling chairs. I need a chair. Do they? Oh, shame. It's only for them.
cute.
Those are not mosquitoes. They're called fireflies. Fireflies, Jaron.
Wait, what is that doing? What is that doing?
Mosquito, not mosquito.
No, it's a firefly.
Joshua, what's this? I hate it.
Oh my God! Independence!
No power.
Haha.
Cha cha cha! Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sorry, Jazzy's sitting on my shoulder.
Hey, Joshua.
I love
Hey, Joshua, wait.